Welcome to our simple guide to creating a faceless YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can feel like an overwhelming task, but don't get discouraged. There are many faceless YouTube options that are successful. If you decide to start a faceless YouTube channel, you might be wondering what steps to take. Here's how to create a successful faceless YouTube channel. When you start on your YouTube journey, it's incredibly important to be authentic and realistic. Spend time to find your niche, and then set clear channel goals. Set clear, smart, specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant or realistic goals. Decide much time you have to commit, how you want to measure your success, and be as realistic with these goals as possible. I continually set goals around subscriber counts, watch times, and my search engine optimization, SEO, efforts. Once you find your niche, use your experience skills to present content in a clear, concise way. Try to develop content that solves someone's problem. If you can get your SEO perfected in your early videos, you will have a head start. The way to do this is to look into keywords in your specified niche. The better you make use of keywords and SEO, the higher your content could rank and, in turn, get you more views. I recommend that you watch some vidIQ videos to get up to speed on all things YouTube SEO. So you've got your niche, you've got your goals, you've got your keywords. Set out a clear schedule of when you will post. Try to stick to a schedule because your subscribers will expect to hear from you on certain days and you won't want to disappoint them. It might feel like you're banging your head against a brick wall at times, but your content will grow if you stay consistent. Stick to your schedule for at least 3 months and then evaluate performance to see where you need to make changes. Using data to make adjustments will help you to create more engaging content for your target audience and niche. If you ask questions, you could open the doors to more audience interaction, and it will let the algorithm know that people are interacting with the content on your channel. Once you have access to the community tab, 500 subscribers, you can use it to set polls and ask questions to your viewers and subscribers that can work as customer research. Boomer Strike Force will make more tutorial videos in the future.